Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open Ibis Paint X and immediately set a workable canvas. Choose 2000-3000 px at 300 dpi so prints stay crisp. Once set, import your fashion reference to a locked layer and lower opacity to around 30-50% so it doesn't fight your sketch. Create distinct layers now: sketch, linear, base color, and shading. This separation makes edits non-destructive. You're starting with structure, not decoration, so block proportions and garment silhouette before refining details. You refine the rough sketch into confident line work by lowering opacity and tracing with a sharper brush. Vary brush size from 0.5 to 3. 0 to imply weight and fabric folds. Once lines are clean, lock the base color layer or use clipping groups to paint flat colors without spilling over lines. Then, for depth, add multiply layers for shadows and screen or add for highlights. This lets you adjust intensity independently. Make sure to keep edges crisp where seams and hems meet. You finish by adding textile texture and small details. Use patterned brushes or overlay layers to suggest lace, denim, or silk. Once done, zoom out and assess the silhouette at half size. Adjust hue, saturation, and contrast to keep the design readable from a distance. If something looks off, don't erase. Use layer masks, transform, or warp to tweak proportions and fabric drape. Troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, reset blending modes or duplicate the layer and clip it to restore original values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.